this video I'm going to show you 3 different ways to prepare an iced matcha latte for your Valentine. The first one is an iced matcha rose latte. For it you will need 2 centiliters of rose syrup, best homemade, 250 milliliters of oat milk and 2 grams of matcha. First, put 2 centiliters of rose syrup into a glass and add ice cubes into it. Next, froth your oat milk and pour it into a chilled glass. Now prepare the matcha shot. For it, put 4 scoops into a sieve and sift into the matcha bowl. Add about 60 milliliters of hot but not boiling water and whisk the matcha until foamy. Pour the creamy matcha shot over the chilled oat milk and garnish with more matcha powder and rose buds or petals if liked. The next one is a tropical drink with matcha cold foam. For this drink you will need 2 centiliters of hibiscus syrup, 1 centiliter of vanilla syrup, 120 milliliters of coconut water, 120 milliliters of oat milk, 60 milliliters of oat creamer and 2 grams of matcha. First, put 2 centiliters of hibiscus syrup into a glass and add ice cubes. Next, pour 120 milliliters of coconut water and 60 milliliters of oat milk into the chilled glass. Now prepare the matcha cold foam. For it, put 4 scoops of matcha, 60 milliliters of oat milk, 60 milliliters of oat creamer and 1 centiliter vanilla syrup into a separate glass. Froth until foamy using a handheld milk frother or shaker. Finally, top the chilled coconut refresher with the matcha cold foam and garnish with more matcha powder and hibiscus buds or petals if liked. The final drink is our matcha rose cream cheese latte. For this one you will need 4 centiliters of rose syrup, 120 milliliters of oat milk, 40 milliliters of oat creamer, 40 grams of cream cheese, 1 pinch of sea salt and 2 grams of matcha. First, add ice cubes into a glass and pour 120 milliliters of oat milk into it. Next, prepare the matcha shot. For it, put 4 scoops into a sieve and sift into your bowl. Add 60 milliliters of hot water into the bowl and whisk until foamy. Pour the matcha shot over the chilled oat milk. To prepare the rose cream cheese foam, add 4 centiliters of rose syrup, 40 milliliters of oat milk, 40 milliliters of oat creamer, 40 grams of cream cheese and 1 pinch of sea salt into a separate glass. Froth until foamy using a handheld milk frother or shaker. Finally, top your iced matcha latte with the rose cream cheese foam and garnish with more matcha powder and rose buds or petals if liked.